Welcome to telaHosting. How to fix missed content issues after DNS migration in cPanel. If your website's images and scripts are breaking after a DNS migration, what you're dealing with is a missed content issues, and this is because your site is not fully secured. This happens when your site loads over HTTPS, but some of its resources like images, CSS files, scripts, and videos are still being requested over HTTP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this step by step in cPanel. Just to be clear on why this happens after a migration, URLs may have been hard-coded to HTTP before, and the new server uses HTTPS, but old paths weren't updated. CDN or subdomains are still pointing to old DNS records, or a caching plugin is still serving old insecure URLs, but all these are fixable. The very first thing is to check whether SSL is actually installed and active on your new server. Without a valid SSL certificate, nothing else you do will fix the missed content problem. So log into cPanel, go to SSL/TLS status and click on Run AutoSSL. Make sure both your domain.com and your www.yourdomain.com shows green padlocks before moving on. The next step is to verify your DNS is set up correctly. Missed content often persists because the DNS still references the old server. Go to cPanel and open the zone editor. Click Manage on your domain and confirm that your A record points to the correct new telaHosting IP address. Your www entry is a CNAME pointing to your main domain, and any old CDN or subdomain records have been updated, and any outdated HTTP redirection rules have been removed. After updating DNS records, give it a few minutes to propagate. Now, clear your browser and device cache. Your device may still be loading old insecure URL from a previous session. Force refresh with Ctrl+Shift+R. Try the site in incognito mode and test it on mobile data. If the issue disappears on your mobile but not your desktop, it's a device caching problem rather than a server-side issue. Every single resource needs to be loading over HTTPS. Even after fixing the URL, you should also force HTTPS at the server level by updating your htaccess file. Open public_html/.htaccess and add these 3 lines. This ensures all HTTP traffic is automatically redirected to HTTPS going forward. Next is to clear all caches. Missed content warnings can linger if cached files are still serving old HTTP URL. So clear your browser cache, clear any WordPress caching plugin, clear your CDN cache if you use Cloudflare, and clear any server-side cache in cPanel as well. Also check whether any external scripts are causing the problem. The problem doesn't always come from your old files. If any external resource still uses HTTP, update it to HTTPS. Finally, if you use subdomains, each one needs its own A record pointing to the right IP, SSL installed, and HTTPS first. Any subdomain loading over HTTP will trigger a missed content warning on your main site. To recap, confirm SSL is active, correct your DNS records, clear all caches, fix insecure URLs, check external scripts and update any subdomains. Walk through these steps and your site will be back to fully secure with no browser warnings in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, click the subscribe button for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.